Good day everyone, so today I will tackle about the story of Glaucus and Scylla, the Eryxton, and Pomona and Vertimos. So first, I will tackle the story of Glaucus and Scylla. So Glaucus was a fisherman who went fishing one day from a green meadow which sloped down to the sea. He had spread his catch out of the grass and was counting the fish when we saw all began to steer and then moving toward the slip into and swim away. So si Glaucus kay kanang ang story ni Glaucus ug Scylla kay si Glaucus kay na in love siya sa usa ka babae which is si Scylla, and then one day kay si Scylla kay kanang one day ni amin or ni tuk-an si Glaucus sa iyang feelings ni Scylla, which and then baliwala ni Scylla because wala siya na ibog ni Glaucus, and then wala siya wala gid siya as in feelings ni Glaucus. So si Glaucus na naibog niya which is si Circe. So si Circe kay sa kaibog niya ni Glaucus kay kanang gituk-an niya ni Glaucus na in love kay siyang Glaucus, which is si Glaucus walay feelings niya, walay kanang romantic feelings si Glaucus niya. So kanang one day ni kuan si Glaucus one day baliwala man ni kanang Scylla ang feelings niya ni Glaucus, and then ni ingon si Glaucus ni kanang Circe nga kanang unsaon daw niya para ma-in love niya si Scylla. So si Circe kay si Circe gitagaan siya og kanang potion, love potion, no. Tagaan siya love potion ni kanang Circe si Glaucus, and then ang kato nga love potion is that kanang iyang gihatag ni Scylla para ma-in love si Scylla niya, which is mao toy nakakos nga na turn into Scylla sa monster, no. And then gi-curse man good ni Circe si Scylla because si Scylla si Circe na ibog ni Glaucus, and then si Glaucus dito na ibog ni Scylla, which is kanang gi-curse ni Circe si Scylla. And then ang story nila kay mauto nga kanang na turn siya into kanang monster, mauto na tundak na himo siya kanang na siya mga kanang kuan diri mura siya octopus ang kanang iyang lawas, and then mauto ang story nila nagkuan dito nagsugod nahimog monster si sila, and then mauto sa nasabtan ang story mauto siya nga kanang gamay ra siya, which is ang understanding ato kay kanang don't kanang for someone to love you, no, kay bisag unsaon pa nimo nga kanang unsaon pa nimo ang imong kaugalingon, if wala gid na in love nimo nga tao dili jud na siya diha nimo, kay ayo paghimo og dautan for you to be able nga kanang maibog siya nimo ana. So ang mao na story ni Glaucus and Scylla sa based on my understanding of the story. So the next story is Eryxton. So the story of Eryxton is when woman had a power given her assumed to different shapes. Power is a great and precious hat. She used it strangely enough to procure food for her starving father. Her story is the only one in which the good goddess Ceres appears cruel and vindictive. Eryxton had the wicked audacity to cut down the tallest oak in the grove and sacred to Ceres. So baot tong story ni Eryxton nga. Ang story ni kay nagsugod siya kanang gikat ni Eryxton ang trees nga sacred para ni Ceres, and then mao to kanang course ni Ceres nga kanang maggutom permi siya gutumon nga wala siya kabusugan, and then one day ingon si Ceres ay nga kanang Ceres said that no abundance shall ever satisfy him. He shall starve in every act of devouring foods. So bisag unsaon ni kanang Eryxton nga kanang kanang unsaon ni restricted og kaon, unsaon niya pag kanang pag ma-fully lang ang iyang cravings or ma-fully lang ang iyang mga ang iyang tiyan, masatisfied lang niya iyang tiyan, dili gapon siya mabusog because of what he did, no? So ang i-sacrifice na ni kanang ereksito ng iyang wealth, i-sacrifice na niya tanan niyang kuan para lang masatisfied, para lang mabusog siya, para lang makaingon siya nga kanang na siya kabusugan. But at the end of the day wala gihapon because kanang iya manggi kanang gikat ang sacred na peace, which is kanang sacred ka ito siya para ni series. And then ang kadato niya good yan na yung kanang gi appeal para lang satisfied lagi ang craving. So when so each time she escaped from her owner and came back to her father. But at last, when he managed to return him was not for his needs. He turned upon his own body and devoured it until he killed himself. So namatay na lang siya katungod sa iyang kasi kagutom nga wala gid siya kabusugan. So namatay na lang si Eric Sexton kay because of kanang katong ang iyang tiyan kay wala siya kabusugan. So mao to ang nasagdan ako sa story. So thank you. The third story is Pomona and Vertimus. So the two Roman divinities, not Greek. Pomona was only nymph who did not love the wild woodland she cared. So for fruits and orchards, and that was all she cared for. So si Pomona kay goddess siya sa fruits and fruit trees. So her delight was in pruning and grafting and everything that belongs to her gardener's art. She shut herself away from men, alone with her beloved trees, and let nowhere come near her. Of all that sought her, Vertimus was the most ardent, but he could make no headway. Often he was able to enter his presence in disguise, now as a rude reaper bringing here a basket or a barley ears. So nagkuan si ka ng Vertimus o ganang basket, kitagaan si ka ng Pomona para lang makaduol siya ni Pomona. So mao to. Now, an clumsy herdsman of a vine pruner, at such as time he had the joy of looking at her, but also the richness of knowing that she would never look at such as seemed to be. At last, however, he made a better plan. He came to her and disguised as a very old woman. So nag-disguise si kanang Vertimus of old woman para lang makaduol siya ni Pomona, kasi si Pomona di man siya ginahan og ganang mukuan siya mga laki, because ganahan siyang kanang based on my understanding sa story, kay ganahan siyang kanang mag-focus sa siyang kanang gardeners sa garden niya. And then so that is did not seem strange to Pomona when, after admiring her fruit, he said to her, "But you are the far more beautiful." Niingon si kanang Vertimus, "But you are far more beautiful," and kiss her. So gigisa niya. Still he kept on kissing her, and no old woman would have done. The Pomona was startled. So nashock si Pomona. Perceiving this, he let her go and sat down opposite an elm tree, over which grew a vine loaded with the purple grapes. He said softly, how lovely are together, and now different they would be part, the trees useless and the vine flat on the ground, unable to bear fruit. Are you not like such a vine?" Ano si kanang Vertimus, "You turn from all the desire you will try to stand alone. And yet there is one lesson to the old woman who loves you and more than you know. You would do well not to reject Vertimus. You are his first love. Si Pomona daw ang first love ni Vertimus, and will be his last. And he too cares for the orchard and the garden. He would work by your side. Ningon si katong old woman kay si Vertimus ang gapon to kay nagkanang pangkap man siya para makaduol siya ni Pomona. So then, speaking with a great seriousness, he pointed out to her how Venus had shown many times that he hated hard-headed maidens, and he told her the sad story of a Nazareth who had disdained her suitor Epis, until in despair he hung himself to her gate post, whereupon Venus turned the heartless girl into a stone image. Be warned, he begged, and yelled to your true lover. With his dropped his disguise and stood before her and radiant youth. Pomona yielded to such beauty joined and such elegance, and henceforward her orchids and two gardeners. So mao tong story ni Pomona and Vertimus. So si Pomona is dili siya interesting sa mga guys, and then si mauto ka lang si Vertimus kay kuan na lang siya into nagpapanggap siya lain na kanang tao balagi nagpapang siya old woman para lang makaluol siya ni Pomona, which is kanang para iyaging kanang i-push niya ang self ni kanang Vertimus para maibo si Vertimus ni Pomona. Kay ang ingon ni Vertimus ang ingon sa old woman, which is si Vertimus Rosat, nga kanang si Pomona daw ang first love niya. So mao to ang kunasabtan sa story. So thank you.